Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. As we age, maintaining leg health becomes increasingly important for overall mobility and quality of life. For seniors, strong legs support daily activities and help prevent painful leg cramps that disrupt sleep and daily routines. This video will explore the top 7 crucial vitamins in strengthening leg muscles and avoiding pesky cramps. Vitamins are essential nutrients that help our bodies function optimally, and they can make a significant difference in leg health. Ensuring you get the right vitamins can enhance muscle strength, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of cramps. Stay tuned as we dive into each vitamin, sharing valuable insights and practical tips on incorporating them into your diet. Whether you're looking to boost your leg strength or enjoy a more active lifestyle, this video is packed with information you won't miss. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Vitamin D is a powerhouse nutrient that affects leg strength and muscle function. One of its primary roles is aiding calcium absorption, essential for maintaining strong bones. Healthy bones provide the foundation for muscle attachment and movement, making vitamin D crucial for overall leg health. Without adequate vitamin D, your body struggles to absorb calcium, potentially leading to weakened bones and an increased risk of cramps. You can boost your vitamin D levels through natural sunlight exposure, which triggers its production in the skin. Additionally, many fortified foods such as milk, orange juice, and cereals are excellent sources. Seniors must maintain adequate vitamin D levels, as deficiencies can lead to muscle weakness and an increased likelihood of cramps. By ensuring you get enough of this vital vitamin, you can support your leg strength and enjoy a more active lifestyle. Vitamin B12 is vital in maintaining nerve health and ensuring proper muscle function, making it especially important for seniors. This essential vitamin supports nerve signaling, crucial for muscle coordination and movement. Without adequate B12, nerve function can decline, leading to muscle weakness and coordination issues, increasing the risk of falls. You can find vitamin B12 in various food sources, including meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals, making it relatively easy to incorporate into your diet. However, as we age, our bodies may become less efficient at absorbing this vital nutrient, so seniors must closely monitor their B12 levels. Regular checkups and dietary adjustments help maintain optimal levels, ensuring your nerves and muscles function at their best. By prioritizing vitamin B12, you can support your leg strength and overall mobility, enhancing your quality of life. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that plays a significant role in muscle recovery and circulation, making it essential for maintaining leg health. Its antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to muscle soreness and fatigue after physical activity. By combating free radicals, vitamin E aids in the recovery process, allowing your muscles to heal more efficiently and reducing discomfort. You can find vitamin E in various delicious food sources, including nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you get enough of this vital nutrient. Regular vitamin E intake supports muscle recovery and promotes healthy blood circulation, crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your legs. By prioritizing vitamin E in your diet, you can enhance your leg strength and overall mobility, helping you stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and tissue repair is crucial in maintaining leg health. Collagen is a key protein that helps keep blood vessels strong and flexible, which is vital for proper circulation. Improved blood vessel health can reduce the likelihood of cramps and discomfort in the legs, allowing for better mobility and overall function. You can easily boost your vitamin C intake by enjoying a variety of delicious sources, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. These foods provide a refreshing taste and pack a powerful punch of nutrients. Ensuring adequate vitamin C levels is particularly important for seniors, as it supports overall leg strength and helps prevent injuries. Incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your daily diet can enhance your body's ability to repair tissues and maintain healthy blood vessels, ultimately leading to stronger, more resilient legs. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a key role in muscle function and relaxation, making it particularly important for seniors. This essential nutrient helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms by regulating muscle contractions and promoting relaxation. When magnesium levels are adequate, your muscles can function more smoothly, reducing the likelihood of discomfort and tightness. You can find magnesium in various nutritious food sources, including nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure you get enough of this vital mineral. However, some seniors may struggle to meet their magnesium needs through diet alone. Magnesium supplements can be beneficial in such cases, but it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. By prioritizing magnesium intake, you can support muscle function and relaxation, ultimately enhancing your leg health and overall well-being. Calcium is a critical mineral in maintaining strong bones and muscles, making it especially important for seniors. This essential nutrient supports muscle contractions, allowing for smooth and coordinated movements. Adequate calcium intake is vital for overall leg strength as it helps prevent bone density loss and reduces the risk of fractures. Calcium is found in various food sources, including dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, and leafy greens like kale and broccoli. Many fortified foods, like certain cereals and plant-based milk alternatives, also provide calcium. Ensuring sufficient calcium intake is crucial for seniors, as the body's ability to absorb calcium decreases with age. By prioritizing calcium-rich foods in your diet, you can support your leg health, enhance muscle function, and maintain strong bones, ultimately contributing to a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. The key vitamins essential for maintaining leg health in seniors include vitamins D, B12, E and C, magnesium, and calcium. Each vitamin is vital in preventing leg cramps and enhancing muscle strength, contributing to overall mobility and well-being. By ensuring you get enough of these nutrients, you can support your leg health and enjoy a more active lifestyle. We encourage you to incorporate these vitamins into your daily diet through various delicious foods, ensuring you're giving your body the support it needs. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with friends and family who may benefit from these health tips. Together, we can promote better leg health and empower seniors to stay active and vibrant in their golden years. Thank you for watching.